Smooth. This really look like another nice photo. Good night. Good night. Good blessing every time. From the top of your head to the sole of your feet. Give thanks for life. Give thanks for the colors and the creeds and the ways and the beauties and the face. And the nice and noise. Froribbean Wicked this fest. This one north, south, east, west. Other fest them can't contest. Tell them if they test no less. From the road and the bulletproof vest. From the north to the east and the west. This is the wickedest thing I confess. I don't tell them no, not yes. Next time when they come to complain, let me know, let me tell them again. Put your hands in the air next year if you want Bunji Garlin to come back again. Let me tell you on the rush on the coast. No compassion, no good. But if I'm gonna go like they go with the man, I'm gonna try them in the way some of them out. Everybody jump up.
Alright, where's the light? Alright. Whew. Jeez. Alright. Let's do this.
Oh, you mean people don't know it's about Yaadman Etan, and we are here at the very first annual Froribbean Fest. And I don't know, so we're going to have performances by Bunji Garlin, the Vendetta boss himself, Alkaline, and many more to come. I need them a question. Like, be real, man. We can get a wine later.
I just got in from Froribbean Fest. I almost lost my voice. I can barely hear anything. Like I go in deaf and I'm tired. I'm tired like asphalt. Froribbean Fest was worth the hype. Let me address something first. Let me address something that to me that's, I don't know, I'm still getting used to it. You know, from I start setting up and I start taking videos of everything, it's like a couple people see me and it's like, yo, Yaadman.
Say us.
Yo.
You think they're ready for more?
I almost didn't make it.
I don't really feel like they're ready, no.
And I come to realize that these are fans of mine who are approaching me saying, yo, I watch you on YouTube. I've been following your Instagram. And I'm like, yo. So to first and foremost, I just want to say thank you so much to all my fans and supporters out there. You guys make this more possible than you think. Thank you so much. I love you. So listen, Froribbean started off amazing. Of course, Caribbean people are always late. You know what I mean? I got there after 3 o'clock, even though it started at 2. The early vibes was nice, you know, the people them come in and start up a nice little vibes and thing. I decided that when the vibes pick up, I'm going to play like a game with myself, right? So I started a whine counter. I wanted to see how much Gyal I could whine today.
full up on blast, with thousands of chipping feet. Everywhere you look, it says food, and everybody in a real nice mood. We gonna party all night, watch it. Everyone with painted body, pink credits and tainted body. Nobody wanna dance by themselves, everybody wanna dance on somebody. So let me see your hands up, so from the front to the back row. And if you know these words, everyone, let's go. We're ready for the road. We're ready for the road. I make a song that could have blown people in mind, but this beat is not mine. This is rock dog beat from Africa. Watching out from the Trinidad invader. When I come across the equator, I tell them every day and I check me later. All the people in the green and red, so we make some noise. If you love yourself, say yeah. Roll on. When everybody inside this place, if you enjoy yourself right now, everyone can say yeah. While everybody put your body there, listen.
Oh, yeah, man.
So I got probably around 13 wine. One of them wasn't caught on camera, but 12 were. By the way, me never get my wine from you, Imani Ray. So hear me as a man, next time I buckle no, I want my wine. And I not talk red label. I not talk Moscato. You see me? And let me tell you, the waistline of the girl them, the waistline of the girl them, perfection.
Oh, yeah, man.
Oof, Jesus. You ever wine a, yo, man, them, be real with me. You ever like wine a girl and like you contemplate, yo, baby, I can get your number? You see me? May I tell you, I did not get a bad wine today. Well, besides the girl them, the two girl them who determined on. But still, anyways, Froribbean was great. The vibes was up there. The energy was amazing. There was no disappointment at all. Alkaline and Bunji Garlin and other Caribbean artists were there. It was nice. Oh, and we also got a special guest, a special surprise. Major Hype was in the building.
Shout to all my Africans in the building, make some noise. Nigeria, Ghana, Senegalese. Where's my Haitians? Where's my Trinidadians? Where's my Grenadians? Where's my Guyanese? Is there anybody representing the island of Jamaica? Make some noise.
Hear me, man. Viking Bunji Garlin and the man himself, Alkaline, them shell the place. Them shell the place like one sea. Them shell the place like a beach. Them shell the place like a snail. Them shell the place like a boiled egg. Them shell the place like a gas station. Yo, what's Bunji Garlin's favorite sport? I would probably have to say bungee jumping.
Froribbean event this week, for the first time. I'm about to Gyal represent Fortune and Tobago. people this night. All from Jamaica, Grenada, Guyana, put up your hand, come back. And anybody from the motherland of Africa, wave your hands and then put them high. Wave it up. Take a chip, take a chip, take a chip, take a chip now. No. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, wow. Now. Take a sip. Give it low, I want to tell you something. Hear me now. It's like 3,000-4,000 people in here. Round up the air. This thing I declare. If this year was in a gear, and it will be bigger next year, put your 2 hands up in the air. We are the sound of Soca. Big bad Soca. Why is it big bad Soca? Big bad Soca. Shoulder. 1, 2, 3. Froribbean Fest, we're ready. Every creed and race, every universe, just say with me. Hey! Look at the sun now rising, and the ground now waking up. And on the camp road top, the guy never wind and stop. Gary sings them in a man. What we do? We're gonna party. 24 parties again in a row. Tonight and the very last show. Before we are not on the road, let me have little release you know. So let me see your hands up, so everybody know, put your hands up, so if you're ready for the road, let your friend them know. We're ready for the road. We're ready for the road. We have your hands in the air like white, but we are not slow. You're ready, you're ready.
I'm saying the way how the man have everybody in the crowd jumping and pumping for the man music, yo. Bunji Garlin is pure energy. Bunji Garlin's freestyle is amazing. The man is a true lyricist.
Right now, I have to go. I have to leave. Yo. Let me leave. Let me leave. Let me leave now. Let me leave. All right, hands in the air if you want me to stay. What will we say? How can you swear? If you know Soca music, that's all. Afro Soca, black, white, Africa, we stay there. We are Soca.
Man, there was no disappointment when it came to those performances. I'm going to be so honest with you guys. Is it me? Froribbean Fest was more than worth the hype. This was the very first I know of Froribbean Fest, and let me tell you, this was a very good first impression. There has to be more to come. Hopefully next year, and hopefully them can book me for cover the event again. Is it me? Oh yeah. And I met Alkaline. I just, told him one thing. I told him, yo, brother, say, Arden nickname now, they start call Arden Starden now. Because for some reason, Arden is able to produce a lot of stars. And I told him that he was an inspiration to the youths. That's all I wanted to tell him. Get one good picture with him. Yeah. And Alkaline mad the girl them.
When you listen to the national anthem of Jamaica, when you hear Jamaica, make some noise right now! For the Vendetta crew, Right now, the other thing I call, I'll be a champion, you see. If you don't see I win, I'm going to see you again. Right back and go on the girl, back away now. Who's that? Turn up, hold on, I'm singing you on tempo. 1, 2, everybody sing this. So now, you know, really goddamn go on to. One more club.
Also, I'm girl them depend the speaker box right up at the stage, trying to go up on the stage, and security is like, no, but they're like, well, I know, man. You see me? I'm like, yo, Alkaline, they know for my the girl them. Big up yourself, my G.
How many of the girls must sing? You know your ears, I think I tell you what the things are you. You want it, I'm such a water for some people. You can't say so. So come here, get out of my dick, and have your soul like this, so okay.
This is Yaadman Etan, fully endorsing Froribbean Fest. Please make sure we're not forward again next year. Froribbean Fest needs to be annual. So people them hear me say, man, you don't know say your boy Yaadman Etan, make sure say subscribe and keep the vibe and share this video, you see me? And hear me say no, if you're at Froribbean Fest or your only experience was Froribbean Fest from this video, just comment down below the things that you like the most. You see me? Big up in the damn self, Yaadman Etan is going to bed. What do I like that? What it? Oh, you mean?